Here I have HTC U11 Life, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to this accessibility section and here select Talkback. Here you can enable it. After tapping OK, Talkback tutorial starts immediately. So basically you can go for this Talkback tutorial if you feel like it, but I can explain it to you pretty briefly. So this mode is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on the screen. So like in order to operate in this mode, you have to firstly select some action.
Close tutorial button. Double tap to activate.
And then to activate you have to double tap it. So basically when you tap on any banner or screen or like just a title, the text gets spoken out loud.
Talkback reads content on. Talkback is on.
But when you tap on some button, it says, it tells you that it's a button, and you have to double tap to activate. So to double tap it, you just double tap anywhere on the screen like this, close, double tap. So if you want to disable Talkback, on, double tap, yes, and that's how you can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.